How to change your snap code selfie picture on Snapchat. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the selfie on Snapchat. Easy. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile, click on your snap code like this, and now right here, as you can see, this is my selfie and I want to change it. All what you have to do is scroll down, click on change selfie, and here you have many options. Choose the one that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and click done. Now as you can see, I just changed my selfie. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.